Welcome back to our channel, where we explore topics related to smoking cessation, health, and wellness. Today, we're going to talk about the benefits of quitting smoking and how this affects you. Understanding nicotine addiction. Before we dive into the benefits of smoking cessation, it's crucial to understand nicotine addiction. Nicotine is a highly addictive substance found in cigarettes and other tobacco products. It hijacks your brain's reward system, leading to physical and psychological dependency. 1. Breaking the cycle. One of the most significant advantages of quitting smoking and the accompanying nicotine withdrawal is that it allows you to break free from the cycle of addiction. When you quit smoking, you're no longer feeding your body with harmful chemicals, and this is the first step towards reclaiming your health. 2. Improved health. Quitting cigarettes leads to a wide range of health benefits. Your heart and lungs start to repair themselves, reducing the risk of heart disease and lung cancer. You'll also notice improved lung function, better circulation, and increased energy levels. 3. Enhanced senses. Many ex-smokers report that their senses improve after quitting. Your sense of taste and smell become more acute, allowing you to savor food flavors and enjoy a richer sensory experience. 4. Better mood and mental health. While nicotine is often used as a way to cope with stress and anxiety, quitting smoking can lead to improved mental health. Over time, your mood stabilizes, and you'll experience reduced anxiety and depression symptoms. 5. Self-empowerment. Smoking cessation and nicotine withdrawal is a journey of self-empowerment. Overcoming addiction is a significant accomplishment, and it can boost your self-esteem and confidence. It shows that you have the strength to overcome challenges and take control of your life. 6. Savings. Let's not forget the financial benefits. Smoking is an expensive habit, and when you quit, you'll save a considerable amount of money. You can use these savings to treat yourself or invest in other aspects of your life. 7. Improved relationships. Smoking can strain relationships with loved ones as they worry about your health. By quitting, you'll not only improve your physical health, but also your relationships, as your loved ones will be relieved and proud of your efforts. In conclusion, smoking cessation and nicotine withdrawal, while challenging, brings numerous benefits to your life. It's not just about giving up a harmful habit. It's about regaining control, improving your health, and experiencing personal growth. Remember, the discomfort of withdrawal is temporary, but the rewards of a smoke-free life are enduring. If you're on your journey to quit smoking, keep going and don't be discouraged by the challenges you face along the way. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace nicotine withdrawal as a positive and transformative experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who might benefit from this perspective. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay smoke-free.